Hello and welcome to this new video. I will show you how to create an infinite marquee into Webstudio because I had a little bit of struggle with that as it's the first time I was doing it. Now I switch from Webflow to Webstudio. So here, how to achieve this. So when I build in Webstudio, what I like to do is to go faster. And as I did with Webflow, I use the Reloom library. If you don't know it, I invite you to check, but I will explain to you how to do it without this. So I just go to the Webflow library. I just took the banner 14, I think here. Was it this? Yes, it was this one. So I took this one and I just click on copy and then I just paste it here into Webstudio. Then you have this component named section banner 14 components. If you open it, you have this and you have the content. So, so you have just to copy paste it here and it will not move. So you have to put a little bit of code here. So to explain to you, or you can check maybe by pausing the video. So here on the right, you have all the CSS, how it is set up right now. So as you know, okay, and here for this. So as you know, the most important elements are these three elements. So here it's what you see here. Okay, this is like the limitations, the space that you want to, you want to see this. And I just have something special here. It's not full width because if I do it full width, it will do a horizontal scroll bar and I don't like it. And so for now, the solution is just to put it like this. Then you have this you can call it a track. So the track here is way outside of the screen. Okay, so it's way longer. Why? Because when it's not moving like this, you have these that are set. So here it's a grid, so it stays here without wrapping. And here you can see that it's flex from left to right on a line, and it's not, for example, like this to make it infinite scrolling like this. So these stack up one on the side of each other on the full length. So it goes outside of the screen. So this is the what is wrapping those two elements. And those two elements are exactly similar. So you can build it by hand if you don't want to use the Reloom library. So you can just delete this and you can just duplicate this element, okay, with Control D or whatever. So this has to be exactly the same. So now what about the code? So I added an HTML embed element here. As you can see, you can get the element here. You put it here. In the embedded element, you see here in the settings, I select it in the settings, you can put code. And here I put the keyframes marquee. You can reproduce it if you want. So you just have to put this here. And then the other CSS styling goes on the track here. So you go to style, and here you can see that I have a lot of elements here that I need to delete the unset one, by the way. I need to clean this. But how you have this is, oh, I closed the element here. So you click on the plus here. This is CSS properties here. You can put anything that you want. So you type animation, for example. You can select one by one the ones you want, but if you click on just the animation one solely, then you will have all of them here. And you can see I set up few of them. So duration 30 seconds for the speed here. Then animation iteration count infinite, animation timing function linear. And then with that, the HTML element and the right build here, you can have an infinite marquee that works very well.